Hey, sixth graders. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to divide fractions and mixed numbers today, focusing on the mixed numbers part. And so you see up here it says, in order to divide mixed numbers, you must be able to find the reciprocal of a mixed number. And so a mixed number example I have is we have 2 and 2/3. Whenever you have a mixed number, you need to first convert it to an improper fraction and then find the reciprocal by flipping it. So in order to convert 2 and 2/3 to an improper fraction, I take the whole number times the denominator plus the numerator, so that would be 8, and I leave it over the original denominator, so 2 and 2/3 is 8/3. Once I do that, I can then flip my improper fraction, and so the reciprocal of 8/3 is 3/8. If I looked at another example, I could do the same thing with the mixed number 3 and 1/4. Whenever I have a mixed number, before I take the reciprocal, I must convert it to an improper fraction. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13 out of 4. After I do that, then I can flip to find the reciprocal of 13/4. And so when I flip, I'm just basically switching the numerator and the denominator. So 13 goes to the bottom, 4 goes to the top. However, this does not work if we are, it does not work with a mixed number. You must convert it first. All right, so then we're ready to divide fractions. And so here's an example where we have 2 mixed numbers. And so right away, the first thing we'd have to do is we'd have to convert our mixed numbers to improper fractions. Then we could rewrite our problem as a multiplication problem using the keep, change, flip strategy. So 3.5 would be 7 over 2, and we're still dividing. 2 and 1/3 would be 7/3. So the first thing we did was just rewrote as a division problem with improper fractions. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm now going to keep my first term. I'm going to change, so now I'm on step 3, I'm going to change from division to multiplication, and then I flip 7/3 because 3/7 is the multiplicative inverse. And so now at this point, I applied my keep, change, flip strategy. I can now multiply like I would for any fraction, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. And then finally, I can simplify by asking myself, how many times does 14 go into 21? 1 time. What's left over? 7 out of 14. And we should recognize that 7/14 is equivalent to 1/2. And so what I've done is I've taken 3.5 divided by 2 and 1/3, and that would be equal to 1 1/2.